Good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Kasturi Vidyadhar Donibhat, Professor and Unit Chief at Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, Hubli, Karnataka, and also Consultant and Director of Tattvadarshi Healthcare Solutions, Hubli. At the outset, a very happy new year to one and all. Please join me on 16th January 2020 at 3 p.m. for a live webinar by DocMo. In this webinar, I will be talking on challenges and management of placenta accreta. As all of us know, placenta accreta is a really rising menace nowadays, and not only the incidence is increasing, but it is really posing a challenge to the management, and it's really an obstetrician's nightmare. So I thought discussion on this condition will help all the practicing obstetricians. So especially I'll be discussing on early detection and a team management of this dreadful condition, placenta accreta. For this webinar, I really thank our special thanks to our President KASOGA, Dr. Shobna Patel, and thanks to DocMo Digital Knowledge Marketing Platform for taking this educational initiative ahead. Please join me on 16 January at 3 p.m. for this live webinar on placenta accreta.